Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is vlog number 2 on a Saturday, and we normally spend our Saturday mornings doing some long walks. These basically keep us away from our gadgets for some time, and I mean it turns out to be a good meaningful conversation that we must have not had for a while. So yeah, pretty mind clearing. The weather was good, but the best part of my day was when we came back and we received the most awaited parcel for me, which is the mic. It's actually the mic I'm recording this vlog on right now. So yeah, you tell me, how's the audio quality and how does it sound? I mean, it feels great to be recording on a mic. But yeah, Shreen helped me unpack the mic, post which I got back to the cleaning that I started on a Friday. Finished that up. Soaked some chickpeas for dinner next day. We had some plans of making some street food at home, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. We then retired for the night and watched our favorite TV shows. Thank you for watching.